Letters to the Editor is an author-driven podcast created and directed by Enrique Stuyck, a journalist, lawyer and entrepreneur from Madrid. Enrique holds a Guinness World Record for his letters to the editor and has had 10,000 letters published in 70 Spanish newspapers. In this podcast, we will read one letter a day for a whole year, selected from his books, Ocurrencias, Witticisms, Reflections on Life. The title of today's letter is Only Birds Can Fly. We can run as fast as we want, but no matter how fast we can go, no matter how much speed we can attain, real flying, that is actually taking flight, is not possible. No matter how much we run, we will never be able to lift our feet off the ground. Imagination, yes. Imagination can fly and take us as far as we want to go. We can travel the world and reach the moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus or Neptune, but we cannot fly. Only birds can fly. I do nothing but look at the sky and see how all kinds of birds come and go, flying without me understanding how they can and why we cannot and will never be able to. We can dream that we fly very high, but we will never really fly, never like those creatures that populate the skies, flying and looking down at us with superiority and self-sufficiency, because they know that no matter what we do, we will never reach their level. This letter was published in 2 newspapers in February 2023. Discover more episodes at letterstotheeditorpodcast.com. And remember to subscribe and rate the podcast on your favourite platform. Letters translated by Ana Marchena. Editing by Margot Martin. Podcast produced by Jorge Marin, Ove Productora. Branding and visual identity by Samuel Ferrer, Quinton Brands. Readings by Susanna Galan.